Hi, now I want to show you how to create tree models. This is the old tree. You must create another tree asset created automatically here. To create. Okay, move your tree here. You must create material. I want to use branch only. Okay, as you can see, we have a very beautiful branch trunk. This is not useful for tree. First trunk or branch. This is the angle, is not important. Ground scale, you can use the linear, it's not important. The most important part of the tree trunk creator is here. You can customize its length from here. Here is radius. You can use curves to create a linear tree model. This is the radius. You can use linear curve to create tree model. This is the length of the tree. Here is the tree noise scale. If you want to create a smooth linear tree, you can set this one to 0. Create a this is the noise scale. This is the flare setting. Here is the tree's flare. Can increase the trees flares. Here is trees flare. This is the height, radius, height, two flares. To create more realistic, you must move this one up and reduce radius. Okay, it was not important. Okay, here you can break tree. This is not useful for the main tree's body. Now you must create some branch parts for attach another branch to your main branch. Select a new branch and increase its intensity. Here you can place its position. This is the first one here, and this is the last one here. We can move. Branch. This is the angle. This is the lens. This is the density. Okay, now you can assign drawing texture to this ones too. Now we want to create also you can customize the settings for this tree. Break the tree ranks. This is the wind settings for this one. Now you can create leaves. And set. First you must assign a new material. Change its texture. You can change its type to cross. You can see we have a cross. Cross mode, plan mode, billboard mode, plan, simple single plan, cross, a cross mode, 3 cross, billboard, always looking to your camera, mesh, you can use custom mesh. The cross mode is good enough. You can easily customize its density, scale, angle, alignment, alignment position. This is the first position, this is the last post. Here is the last, here is the first. last, first. And you can change the shape size. The texture is not too much good. Also, we can create another branch for this branch, and then add the textures into this one. As you can see, the leaf texture has been attached into new branch. Also, you can make a copy and drag into first branch,